Hey guys, I want to show you a really cool and little known hack about how to retarget people based on the frequency of which they triggered an event. So maybe they purchased from you more than once or twice, or maybe they visited a specific landing page, such as a specific sales page for your online programs or something a couple of times. So essentially they're really, really hot, warm leads. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to create custom audience. So we're in the audience section here. I'm going to click website traffic, and then I'm going to go pick whatever I'm trying to choose. So this is one of our new businesses ad account here. So we've only got 2 events, but I'm going to just complete registration in the past 30 days, but this could be purchase or a custom event that you've created. And then I'm going to click on refine by and select frequency. And there I can set the frequency. So in this case, they've triggered complete registration in the last 30 days more than 2 times. So for example, if you're selling women's fashion e-commerce and someone has purchased more than twice in the last 30 days, they're an extremely warm audience. That would be very easy to pull back into a funnel with incentives. So this is essentially how to create a custom audience of people based on how many times they've triggered events or actions